Hey everyone, Colin here. Wanted to give you this quick tutorial on using MYETHERWALLET. Now, MYETHERWALLET is basically what it sounds like. It is a wallet or a storage location that you can use to store all of your ERC20 tokens, right? So we're basically talking about any kinds of coins or tokens that are built on the Ethereum platform. You can actually use MYETHERWALLET to store them. So I'm going to go through really quickly how you can use MYETHERWALLET, how you can set it up, and basically use for airdrops and things like that. Okay. So first we want to go to myetherwallet.com. Okay. You should see the secure, lock up there. HTTPS, make sure it's spelled out properly, myetherwallet.com. It's going to give you a few, just kind of introductory things saying what it is and what it isn't. You can go ahead and just scroll through. Okay, yes, they give you all of this advice. Okay, and you're done. Now, you want to go ahead and create a new wallet. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put in a password. Okay. Click create new wallet. Oh, okay, must be at least 9 characters. Okay. Okay, now it's going to give you something called a key store file. Okay, so you go ahead and put on download key store file. Now, this key store file basically is like an additional level of security for when you want to see the actual coins that are there. So as you can see right here, it's going to give me a name, right? So I can just leave the name that it suggests here. It kind of has a timestamp. You can rename it if you want. I'm going to just save it as this UTC thingy. Okay, click on save. All right. So now I click I understand and continue. It's going to show you your private key. Okay, now this is something that you never ever want to expose. The private key is what you use to really access it, but your key store file will do the same thing for you in the meantime. Of course, I'm never going to use this actual wallet because now that I'm doing a tutorial and this private key is being shown, that means people could actually hack into this particular Ether wallet that I have here. So I'll never use this, okay? So I would advise you go ahead and print the paper wallet and save it somewhere. Okay, don't lose it, etc., etc. Yep, save it. Unlock your wallet. Okay, so the next point now is to unlock your wallet to see your address and all of the tokens that you have on it. So you want to go to where it says key store because this was the file that we downloaded. It's going to say select the wallet file. So you go ahead to the same place that you saved it. Here it is right here, UTC. Go ahead and click open. Then I want to put in my password that I created in the very beginning. Click on unlock. It's coming. I'm using the Brave browser right now. The Brave browser is one of the best in terms of protection from phishing sites and all that kinds of stuff. Okay, so here it is. I unlocked it. Just had to scroll down. So it shows this is your address. This is your Ethereum address from MYETHERWALLET. And this is perfect for when you need to participate in airdrops, right? Airdrops are basically when people are coming up with new coins, new blockchain projects, and they're built on the Ethereum platform, and they want to distribute a certain amount of free coins to the community, okay? Because obviously the more a coin gets used and the more people have it, that also helps to drive value, because the more people have something and the more that you have distributed, it creates more of the scarcity situation where there are less free coins available, which automatically drives up a price usually for something. Okay, so this is your address that you have to use whenever you go to an airdrop and they say, can you enter your Ethereum address? This is what you're going to use. Okay, you can copy and paste that somewhere if you ever need it handy. Same one is right here. Okay, and it says right now account balance Ethereum, so you can send Ethereum to this address, and for you to be able to use this, in other words, to actually send tokens to different locations, you'll need some Ethereum in here in your balance. So go ahead and purchase some Ethereum and send it to this address, okay? And then the next time you log in, you'll actually see that you have a different Ethereum balance. Now down here where it says show all tokens, this is actually where you can see all of these different coins that are built on the Ethereum platform. Now look at this, guys. This once again tells you why Ethereum is very strong, because instead of owning a car, this is like you've invested in the highway. You invest in a highway that all of the cars have to drive on. So look at all these tokens and coins that are built on the Ethereum platform. This is how you know that Ethereum is not going anywhere, because there are so many platforms that are built on top of this thing. Okay? All right. So there you go. That's how you can show all of your tokens, and you can see your balances. Okay? Let's see here. Yep, basic attention token. That's also built on there. All right. So that's basically how you open up a MYETHERWALLET, and this is the address that you use for your Ether wallet in order to participate in airdrops, or if you want to store any of your ERC20 tokens or coins off of an exchange. This is one of the ways to do that. Okay, so usually to participate in airdrops and a lot of ICOs with Ethereum based tokens, they will ask you for an Ethereum address. You'll need something like MYETHERWALLET in order to save those tokens. Okay, so that's how you do it, folks. That's your address that you use when you're going to participate in your airdrops. Okay, and like I said, your balances will show down here. Okay, there you go, guys. Take care until the next time.